Creating a backyard garden waterfall with the pond can be a beautiful and relaxing addition to your outdoor space. Here are some ideas and steps to help you design and build your own backyard garden waterfall with the pond. Location and design. Choose a suitable location in your backyard for the waterfall and pond. Consider factors like sunlight, visibility from your home, and proximity to utilities. Sketch a rough design to visualize the layout. You can have a natural look waterfall with rocks and plants, or a more formal design with stone or concrete elements. Materials. Select the materials you shall need, such as rocks, stones, liner for the pond, a pump, tubing, and a filtration system. You can use natural materials like rocks or artificial ones like preformed pond shells. Pond construction. Start by digging the pond hole according to your design. Ensure the pond has varying depth to support aquatic life. Install an underlayment to protect the pond liner and then place the pond liner inside the hole. Trim any excess liner. Add rocks or stones around the edge of the pond to score the liner and create a natural look. Install a pond pump and filter to keep the water clean and circulating. Waterfall construction. Create a stream bed leading from the pond to the top of the waterfall. This can be done by digging a shallow trench and lining it with the pond liner. Arrange rocks and stones along the stream bed to create the waterfall. Ensure that the waterfall flows naturally from the pond to the top of the waterfall. Install a waterfall box at the top of the waterfall to house the pump and distribute water evenly. Planting. Plant aquatic vegetation around the pond and waterfall. Water lilies, irises, and cattles can add natural beauty and help filter the water. Use native plants and landscaping around the pond to enhance the natural look. Finishing touches. Add decorative elements like pebbles, driftwood, or decorative lighting to enhance the aesthetics. Consider incorporating a sitting area or a patio near the pond to enjoy the soothing ambience. Maintenance. Regularly clean the pond and filter to keep the water clean. Trim and maintain the plants around the pond. During the winter, if you live in a cold climate, you may need to winterize the pond to protect fish and plants. Safety. If you have children or pets, consider adding a safety fence or barrier to prevent accidents near the pond. Remember that building a backyard garden waterfall with the pond can be a significant project, so take your time and plan carefully. It can be a rewarding and relaxing addition to your outdoor space, providing a natural and serene environment for you to enjoy. Thanks.